The festive season is upon us, and that means it's time for some festive goodies. We're at IKEA today, which is my favorite store for home shopping, and we're here to check out their new festive collection. I'm going to choose 5 of my favorite things, so come and join me. So the main festive collection is right at the entrance, so you can quickly come in, do all of your festive shopping, and you'll also find lots of cute festive trinkets throughout the store and the marketplace and the checkout. Wow, all these wrapping and gifting options look so classy and Christmassy at the same time. Ooh, look at these Christmassy cushions. Definitely gonna get this one. How do I get this? Oh my god! Wow, I just love strolling and checking out all of this home collection. You see me again. And sitting on the couches, as you can tell. Like everywhere, you're just like finding more and more nice things. Okay, so cool. I'm gonna get some of these lampshades, the starlights that I've been loving throughout. One of each. Christmas lanterns are really cute, but I really like this one. That's my favorite. Gingerbread heart, you know, my sweet tooth. Okay, so we are at the end of our festive shopping spree, and I've picked out a lot of things, but I'm going to pick out my 5 favorites now. So the starlight lampshade, of course these guys, the elves and the koala, and this little guy. So cute. I don't know what it is, but it's so cute. The candle, the metallic gold candle, festive wrapping paper, great for a gift, the mini Christmas tree. So that was our festive shopping spree day at IKEA. We had such a blast. You saw they have so many options. So I'm gonna go now and decorate my home, and I hope you're gonna do the same. This one looks pretty as well. Let's take this.
What happened? You feel comfortable?
Man, I wish this was my home.